Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the exciting world of Todoist to learn how to create task labels for different contexts, making your task management super efficient. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Todoist app. Now, why is this important? Well, Todoist is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your tasks in a way that suits your workflow best, and labels are a key part of that. Once you're in the app, navigate to the task you want to label. For this example, let's say it's a task to buy groceries. This step is crucial because it's here where you'll assign the label that corresponds to the context of your task. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Label button. The reason we do this is to categorize our tasks based on their contexts. This helps us because it allows us to filter tasks according to their labels, making it easier to focus on what needs to be done in each context. You'll then be prompted to type in your label. Let's say errands for our example. Hit Create once you're done. Now, let me explain why this matters. By creating a label called errands, we've just assigned a context to our grocery shopping task. So the next time you're out running errands, you'll know exactly what tasks to tackle thanks to the errands label. Next up, you'll want to repeat this process for each task that requires a label. Remember, the goal here is to have all your tasks labeled according to their contexts. This is essential in keeping your tasks organized and ensuring that no task gets overlooked. And just like that, you've created task labels for different contexts in your Todoist app. It's as easy as pie, isn't it? By using labels, you're not just organizing your tasks, you're also streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. That's a wrap for this tutorial. With these simple steps, you're now a pro at creating task labels in Todoist. Keep practicing, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.